Here we are with our new video in Minutes Learning. We will share 7 effective study tips, which is a very practical method. Let's jump into the video. Welcome to Minutes Learning. Let's learn something in few minutes. Choose a good place to study or create a new place which is comfortable for you. Remember that the place is quiet, that is noiseless, clean and has all your study materials. It's good if you have chosen a place which receives natural light and air. Stick to a strategy. Always follow your sequence and make your own strategy knowing your strength and weakness. Study two or more subjects alternatively. Remember that studying only a particular subject for the whole day is not good. So choose two or more subjects alternatively for a day and study each subject alternatively. Make revision notes. Writing and practicing makes you master in that work. Make colorful, clear and good notes which contains fill-up questions. Answer those questions while you revise it once again. Use colorful pens and leave sufficient gaps between 2 points to make your notes neat. And the final important point is your handwriting should be neat. If you have more time, you can also make flashcards, but it is a time consuming one, so just avoid it if you want to save your time. Know what they are going to study. The big issue students are facing is that they don't know what they are going to study. So before sitting to study, think what are topics or tasks that need to be completed by today. It will be better if you write down this the day before your studies. Have breaks in between. This is the most important point that need to be followed while studying. Please avoid to study continuously if you have been doing so, and also have a quick revision after your break. Last but not least, love what you study. If you really don't want to study, then all tips given before are very difficult for you to follow. If you really want to be a good in studies, first you should have lots of interest, curiosity on your studies. Studying without love creates pressure, tension and irritation in your mind. So study happily, love what you do and all the very best for your studies. I hope the tips given are very helpful for you. Kindly try it and give your review in the comment section. Thank you. Signing off, Minutes Learning.